Democracy. All citizens share power. Around 500 BCE, the people of Athens decided to try governing themselves. They developed democracy, or rule by the people. In a democracy, all citizens share in the ruling power. Ancient Greek democracy was different from democracy today. The government of Athens was a direct democracy. In this type of government, every citizen can vote on every issue. Unlike Athens, the United States is a representative democracy. In this type of government, people vote for representatives who decide issues in their name. How did direct democracy work in Athens? The city had an assembly or lawmaking group. Any free man could speak in the assembly and vote on a new law or a proposal to go to war. Free men also ran the city's day-to-day business. Not all Greeks believed that democracy was a good type of government. Powerful speakers sometimes persuaded ordinary citizens to vote unwisely. Often, the assembly reversed important decisions after just a few weeks. Because of problems like these, most city-states returned to earlier forms of government, such as dictatorships and oligarchies. But the idea that people should rule themselves would survive. In time, the ideal of democracy would become one of the great gifts of ancient Greece to the modern world.